Google I/O 2026 dropped 3 Chrome updates for AI agents. Their ranking is built for framework authors. If you're a solo operator with a Playwright job, a Puppeteer scraper, or any LM driving a browser at 2 a.m., that ranking will cost you money or break a cron by Monday. I'll re-rank all 3 from the seat of a guy running 3 agent projects on 132G beatbox. Most I/O recaps just parrot the keynote order. I'll show you the one buried update that cut a debug session from 22 minutes to 4, and the one behavior change nobody is warning you about. I ship agent stacks daily for clients. Let's start with what Google put at number 2. Quick context, no hype. At I/O 2026, Google announced 3 things that touch anyone building browser agents. 1. Modern web guidance, a spec push for how frameworks should render for AI consumption. 2. Chrome DevTools for agents, structured DOM snapshots your agent can read directly. 3. AI assistance inside DevTools itself, a chat panel that helps you debug. Google presented them in that order. That order is wrong for you. Here's my re-ranks. Number 1. The actual most important one for a solo operator is Chrome DevTools for agents. This is the update Google slotted at number 2, and it's the only one that changes economics tonight. Before this shipped, when a headless Chrome flow broke on one of my agent projects, the loop was ugly. Screenshot the page, send it to Claude, ask it to guess the selector, retry, fail, send more DOM, retry again. On my box, I was burning roughly $47 a month in tokens just on DOM debugging across 3 agent workloads, sharing one machine. With structured DOM snapshots, the agent gets a clean semantic tree instead of raw HTML soup. Same broken flow, same failure mode, reproducible fix in about 4 minutes instead of 22. That is the update. Everything else at I/O is a sideshow next to that number. Number 2 on my list is AI assistance inside DevTools. Useful, genuinely, but it is a token trap if you leave it on. It's a chat panel wired into your dev session. Every time you inspect an element, it can be sending context up. On a shared workstation, or a home server where you sometimes leave DevTools open on a long-running page, that meter runs. Turn it on deliberately, per session, not as a default. I keep it off on the box that runs my agents, and only enable it when I'm actively debugging a new flow. That one habit is the difference between a predictable monthly bill and a surprise. Number 3, modern web guidance. Honest take, if you are not shipping a framework or a public component library, you can skip the entire session. It matters for the people building Next, Remix, Angular. It does not change what your agent does on Monday morning. Now the warning nobody put in a thumbnail. There is a behavior change in how Chrome handles a specific class of cross-origin iframe interactions in the new build. If you're running browser agents in production and you don't want to spend Monday debugging a Chrome update, this is exactly the kind of stack we build and maintain for clients at BizflowAI.io. Go see real examples of what we ship.